आदाब। अदब और तहजीब के सफ़र में आपका फिर से इस्तकबाल है। Ever wondered why a guy from 400 years ago still trends today? Let's talk about the OG wordsmith, William Shakespeare. Born in 1564, Stanford upon Avon. No degree, no iPhone. Just a genius mind and a magical pen. He gave us Romeo and Juliet, Macbeth, Hamlet, Julius Caesar. Drama so good. Even your favorite Netflix series can't compete. Addicted, bedazzled, swagger. Shakespeare made upon over 1700 words we still use today. From love and betrayal to ghosts and daggers, he explored every corner of the human heart. And remember that skull scene, to be or not to be. That's just not a meme. It's pure existential gold. His works are translated into every major language and performed more than any other writer ever. So the next time you quote, break the ice or wild goose chase, all that glitters is not gold. Love is blind and a heart of gold. Yeah, that's Shakespeare's phrases from his dramas. At 18, he married Annie Hathaway. Not that Annie Hathaway. She was 26 at time and he was a dad of 3 by 23. He left home and hit London. And boom! Actor, poet, writer, total treat. His plays, 38 of them, plus 154 sonnets. He covered kings, clowns, witches, love, war, every angle of human chaos. By the time he died in 1660, he was already a legend. And get this, he died on his birthday, the same date, April 23rd. Talk about full circle. He's everywhere, Bollywood to Broadway, every language, every continent. Even astronauts quoted him in space. From school books to rap lyrics, Shakespeare's legacy is baked into our daily life. What do you get when Shakespeare lands in India with a Desi twist? Vishal Bhardwaj's masterpiece, Trilogy. Maqbool, Macbeth in Mumbai. Macbeth becomes Maqbool, a dawn haunted by ambition. A lady with eyes like fire, power, guilt, betrayal, served with a side of Mumbai masala. Omkara, Othello in Uttar Pradesh. Othello turns into Omkara, loyalty twisted, love tested. Langda Tyagi did not just steal the show, he burned it. And the third, Heather, Hamlet in the Himalayas. Hamlet rises as Heather. Family, revenge, and a soul torn apart, set against the backdrop of conflict. A tragedy so deep, even the mountains stayed silent. 3 stories, 1 bard, and a director who gave Shakespeare a Desi passport. From quills to cameras, from verses to dialogues, Shakespeare lives on in Bollywood's boldest tales. Want a time machine to Old England? So Shakespeare's plays are your ticket. Through kings and commoners, wars and weddings, Shakespeare gave us a front row seat to Elizabethan England. From the chaos of King Lear to the glory of Henry V, he showed us the power plays of the monarchy, where loyalty could be crown or a curse. But it wasn't all royalty. He brought the everyday Englishmen to life. Drunks, lovers, jesters, soldiers, and dreamers. His comedies showed us village life, arranged marriages, mistaken identities, and messiness of love. And his tragedies, they weren't just stories, they were mirrors of the fears and ambitions of Old England. From sonnets to skulls, Shakespeare didn't just write plays, he rewrote the human experience. Centuries have passed, languages have evolved, and the world spins faster than ever. But Shakespeare's words still whisper to us. Because in every betrayal, every confession, every moment of longing, we find a mirror. And in that mirror, we find ourselves. Literature may evolve, but truth stays timeless. Shakespeare didn't write for his time, he wrote for all time. Religious tension, gender roles, politics. Shakespeare didn't write history, he staged it. Shakespeare wasn't writing for the elite, he wrote for everyone, for the dreamers, the doubters, the broken, and the brave. His words have outlived kingdoms, outshined trends, and outlasted centuries because they touch what never goes out of the style, the human soul. बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया आप सबका मेरे साथ जुड़ने के लिए. बहुत खुश रहिए क्योंकि जिंदगी है गुलजार. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Also follow me on Instagram and Facebook. शुक्रिया.